Another way to look at ito, kung gusto mo textbook na super gandang trade, hanapin mo yung, kunyari, nagsiscreen ka ng stocks, hanapin mo kung saan nagla-line up lahat. Yung ginagano ko, oy, cross na to, tapos cross to, sa moving average, cross dito. At that particular point in time, kung saan siya nag-align lahat, yun yung, for me, one of the best times to come in kasi it shows you confirmations from everything. Guys, we're back with the YouTube sensation. Oh, she was in the previous video game. What's your question?
I have a question about moving average.
Okay.
Kasi I'm still looking for a strategy na pwede kong gawin.
Okay. By the way, may nagtanong sa last video mo kung single ka pa daw.
Ha?
May nag-PM sa akin.
Totoo ba
Oh,
yan?
may nag-PM. Sabi, single ba siya?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So, comment below, Dianne. Okay, what's your moving average?
Okay, moving average.
Mm.
Kasi pwede rin buy signal pag nag-crossover si MA20K
50 or 100. Okay.
So, pwede, i-consider mo pa rin ba? Kasi kung gagawin mo siyang support, pag tumaas si candle sa ibabaw ng MA20,
Okay.
i-consider mo ba siya na support or
support na siya.
support?
Oo.
Pero, magdodraw ka pa rin ba ng line for
If you want more, parang more confirmation, tsaka more verification, maganda kung magdodraw ka, na breakout siya. Pero, proxy yung moving average from you not drawing anymore. So, okay lang dapat siya without it. Pero some people, na siguro isa, kahit ako din nag-drawing, kasi ako, I like drawing more eh. So, if I want more confirmation, baliktad sa akin, I just use the moving average na to add a layer of confirmation doon.
okay.
So, yun. Tapos, yun din, if you look at the cross-up from the two moving averages, ano siya, it's slower. It's the most late compared dun sa breakout of the candlestick dun sa moving average versus yung cross-up, nahuhuli lagi yung cross-up. Most of the time.
Okay.
Yun.
Ayun.
Anong stock in particular? Or wala naman? General question lang.
Nakita ko yung food na stock.
Okay.
So, pa-crossover na yung yung
Moving average.
moving average.
Okay.
Pero malapit na naman, pati rin yata yung MACD mag-change. Mag-change na rin siya. So, yun.
Pero another way to look at ito, kung gusto mo textbook na super gandang trade, hanapin mo yung, kunyari, nagsiscreen ka ng stocks, hanapin mo kung saan nagla-line up lahat. Yung ginagano ko, oy, cross na to, tapos cross to, sa moving average, cross dito. At that particular point in time, kung saan siya nag-align lahat, yun yung, for me, one of the best times to come in kasi it shows you confirmations from everything. Yun.
Ayun nga, na-check ko rin yung mga previous, yung history nung chart na yun eh. So, every time na nagko-cross si MA20 at si 50, laging nag-uptrend.
Laging last, pero pag napansin mo, laging last part yun, it happens medyo higher na into the uptrend.
Yes. Yun. And yun din kasi yung reason why I bought FLI.
Galing.
So, downtrend siya, nahit na niya yung support, and then sakto, nag-bounce din siya sa moving
pero sakto
average.
yun eh, when we talked about it last week, hindi pa talaga siya wala pa yung large candle doon. Oh, so yun din, we talked about some stocks last week. Like yung China Bank, akyat, tapos bigla bumagsak, di ba? So dapat, for those who bought nun, dapat may cut loss dapat siya. So it's not really 100%, it will always go up all the time. It's a risk management tool that if it doesn't go your way, you have to sell.
Yeah.
Yun. So speaking of confirmation, guys, confirm, single. So, two questions. Dapat ba yung mapapangasawa mo nagsa-stocks o hindi?
Yes.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Paano kung hindi?
Tuturuan ko siya.
Pero sasabihin niya, bigay ko na ng pera sa'yo.
Tas ako
Ikaw na bahala.
Okay lang din.
Parang ganun sa amin eh. Sa akin mula nung kinasal ako, yung pera dumadaloy na lang. Hindi ko na nahahawakan. Yun.
At least isa marunong mag-invest.
Okay, that's it.
One more.
Okay.
Anong mas risky? Quick trader or position trader?
In what sense? What's your context of risky?
Kung magte-take profit ka na, pero you're hesitating kasi baka mamaya bumaba siya or umakyat pa siya lalo.
Ay, syempre, mas madaming false signals yung quick. Mas madaming false. Like, question ni Kevin,
Mm-mm.
you can watch it in the next video or in the question niya was, hindi, nasa resistance na,
Mm-mm.
pero some of the indicators are still bullish.
Yeah.
So, yung problem doon, if you sell too quick, pero bullish pa tong ibang indicator, there might come a time later on na mag-breakout din siya. So, yun. If you're asking what will give you a possibility of more transactions, a possibility of selling more, tapos magiging false signal siya, quick trading siya.
Mm-mm.
Pero in the same way also, if you're asking kasi in an essence na kung ano yung mga losses na pwede mangyari,
Mm-mm.
kung mag-cut ka naman kasi kagad, you won't get that big of a loss also even for quick trading.
Mm-mm.
So, ganun. Yun.
Alright.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yung goal mo is to be like Weng, retire young, retire rich. I will not mention the last name. Yun. Anyway, that's it.
Yes, that's it.
So, okay lang ba na alam na lahat na single?
Okay lang.
Okay, hindi ko na-edit. So, comment below. Comment below. Totoo, sa Stock Smarts, people don't just learn about stocks, they learn about, love.
Love.
Okay, joke lang. Bye-bye.
All
Okay.
about life.
Life, love. Love.
Alright. Thanks.
Okay,
Thank you
bye-bye.